Babe, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We have a lot of to do today. It's Vlogmas!
But first, let's make a coffee.
Come on, it's Vlogmas! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph and we are full-time eBay reseller couple based in UK. Today is the day 12 from the Vlogmas, so we are halfway and we already in the storage unit. We have to post all the items what we sold over the weekend. I'm going to show to you what we sold and how much we sold it for. So like you can see, it's few of them here, and I showed you later the other one. We sold two foil picture on Etsy, £20 each. This one is Bentley and that one is Rolls-Royce one. We paid I think £1.50 each long time ago. Also we sold on Etsy lamp for £40 plus postage. Also we sold on eBay Bad Taste beers, which is I think £12 plus postage. We sold the Roberts radio for £20 plus postage. We sold this morning for £20 huge Mickey Mouse. Also we sold the Lego Duplo bundle for £10 plus postage. This one is from the free pickup. We sold some puzzle and some board games. Like we said last time, we reduced the price because we just want to go on all of them. This Disney Panorama puzzle sold for £10 free postage, and sold two Wolf puzzle for £10 free postage. Also it's a Risk board game, which I remember we paid £2 from the carboot sale, one of the carboot sale, and this sold for £25 plus postage. Also sold this Storm Zero Gravity bowling ball for £85 plus postage. We paid £10 for 3 of them, so it's profit. And let's see, we have a lot of plushie what is sold. This vintage Care Bear sold for £5 on Vinted, but we have long time ago, so happy to let them go. Sold this pet Postman Pet soft toy, I think £12, but I'm not sure. I put here all the photos about the sale. Sold this Liberty toy lion for $14.99 free postage. This VTech little singing bear from the mystery box sold for £8. This Funko Fuzzy Bear Five Nights at Freddy's soft toy sold for I think £15 on Depop. This morning sold this 1 second David Emmanuel teddy bear for £12.96 or something like that, free postage. This Thai monkey teddy bear sold for I think £15. This one is sold on eBay, I think for £10 free postage. Frozen Swan soft toy with tags. The tags is worn and sold for £15. Also sold the Wide Republic Hippo soft toy, I think £12.99. And we still have more plushies, so finally the sales are on fire and hopefully stay like that until Christmas. This Aurora, I didn't remember his name, but I hate this plushie. Finally sold the second one as well. And also sold on Vinted this bunny. And I have a story about that. It's yesterday I got an offer for £5 and I accepted because I just want to let it go. And after that the buyer sent me a message they don't want anymore. okay, I canceled the order, and in the morning I just wake up and somebody bought for £10. So happy about that. And we have one more plushie. This Betty's beer teddy bear sold for £20, free postage. So far today we made £85 and 2 item waiting payment for this Bush radio, which we bought from the auction. Somebody just make an offer of £100, so if they paid that, I'm very happy about it. Also a Denon CD player, which is again waiting for payment, £35. If they paid that, I'm so happy about today, and hopefully we get more sales, because if they paid these 2 items, I'm very happy about that, because it's already 200 plus day, and it's now it's 1 o'clock. And also I forget to mention, we saw the poster, Animal Crossing poster for 45 quid. This one is coming from the free magazine pickup 1 year ago, and so happy about this sale, because it's easy to post and finally it's gone. We have more sale, and but that one is we already packed at home, and we already posted them, but I put somewhere here the pictures about that items. So finally we are so happy about that. eBay is on fire, and hopefully stay like that. So let's go, let's pack all the orders, and let's post them as soon as we can. So and we are already at home. We already posted all the items what we sold in the weekend, and we are so busy to pack them. So now the time is like 6 o'clock, and I just want to let you know what we sold, and already we have a decent day today, finally. We sold Phoenix Comics job lot for £20 plus postage. Also we sold a triple dressing table mirror, which is the middle mirror is missing, sold for £20 plus postage. We sold from the auction a Samsung subwoofer for £19.99 plus postage. And also we sold a Denon compact disc player for £35 plus postage. And we sold the large Bush radio, which we bought from another auction for £15 or something like that, and sold for £100 and off to Australia or US, I didn't remember, doesn't matter. And also sold the VHS bundle for £17 plus postage. And the others you already seen. You seen the Mickey Mouse, you seen the David Emmanuel teddy bear as well. So far today is £278, and we still waiting one item to be paid, which is a £75 Philips face solar. So hopefully the buyer paid that item. And we bring it home some shoes as well, and we start to clean them now, because no, I can't say we are unmotivated, isn't it? I just want to do some job now, because I feel I have power for that now. So let's show to you some shoes. So the buyer just paid the face solar, and like I said, it's sold for £75 plus postage. So today so far £348. So happy, and hopefully we can sell some stuff today. So yeah, we are not unmotivated anymore, but let's see the shoes. What we have here. Yeah, it's a Timberland shoes. Like you can see, it's not in the best shape and need a proper clean, but we do that tonight. Here the other pair. It's not yeah, if we clean, I think we can sell for £20. what we have some unbranded like red herring ballet shoes, woman shoes. Also we had here, it's, you said this wooden, isn't it?
No, this one.
No, this one is a woman shoes. We just put here because we don't know the value. We research them, and if it's not valuable we just bring it to the carboot sale. Let's see the next one. Yeah, it's a vintage eco leather man shoes, which is I think probably a 25 pound item. I didn't see any damage on that, probably just dirty, so 25 pound on that. Here is the other pair. Here we have a Reeker anti-stress leather shoes. Again, it's a man's shoes, probably a 25 pound on that one as well. Let's see the next one. I didn't see any brand. Yeah, we have to clean them, but otherwise it's still in good condition, I think. Yeah, Barker the brand, which is probably a 30 pound item. And I think we have another Barker, and like you can see we have a lot to do with that. It's so dirty, but probably I think I can show to you tomorrow how we clean them, and hopefully they look decent after when we clean. Here is the other leaker. What we have here, Airflex. I think this is a Mark & Spencer St. Michael vintage Mark & Spencer leather shoes. Probably again is a 20 to 25 pound. Another Barker. Here we have a water, which is again, it's a decent condition. Just need to clean these black things from that one. Probably a 30 pound item. And water shoes is selling very fast. What we have here, yeah, here is the other pair for that one. Yeah, and another Mark & Spencer leather shoes. Again, it's, I think is a pretty good condition, just need a clean. So probably 20 to 25 pound on that one as well. This one is the wooden shoes, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a wooden holiday slippers, high heels slippers, woman, and this one is Fate, the brand. Probably I think in summertime 15 to 20 pound on that one. Maybe it's better to sell just on Vinted. Yeah, I showed to you already. Oh, we have this one as well. Yeah, yeah. So finally I showed to you some shoes. We paid 30 pound for around 30 pair of shoes. This is, we still have 2 bags outside, but that one I showed to you later. So this is what we cleaned today, and we show to you tomorrow how they look like. If you like this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJRU77. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow, guys. Take care. Bye bye.